G'day folks, on today's episode we're going to replace the fork seals on an RMZ 250. First time I've ever done it, so wish me luck. First of all, we need to remove the wheel, the brake caliper, these guards, and moving up the top here, this front little number panel. Undo the top. Want to do is get the spinner, put it on that nut right there, and oh. Here we go. Wash it off. Spring out. So pull that out. Empty the oil. Now, once you've drained all your oil, you can I'll just give these a clean up. Pull this dust cap off. Put a little screwdriver in there. Just prise it up. There we go. Come on. Righto. Careful not to damage that because I'm going to use it again later. Now down inside here, there is a clip. On the end of it. There we go. Here's your clip. Keep that, don't throw that away. Now, we'll come down there. This is where your seal, the oil seal sits down in here. I don't know if you can see that. If we can ram that off now. There we go. We'll set that aside. Now, move some of this out of the way. Pull this off. ring.
second ring. Now this washer is directional, it has to go on that way. So just make sure when you pull it off that you put it back on the right way. And there's the washer, there's the seal. It's going to come off like that. Wow. Now, I don't know if you can see that. Have a look right there, the spring has sprung. Look at that. That's why it wasn't sealing. Not sure if you can see that. Wow. Cactus. Right. Now. Where's my rag? Just give these a little clean up. These are a little bit discoloured. Good on the outside. Just on the inside there's a little bit of wear, but I think we'll get away with that this time. Maybe replace them next time. Clean up. Clean. Now, this big washer that goes on top of the spring, a little bit of rust. Not sure how that would have come about. I'll just give him a bit of a hit. Brake clean. I'm going to hit the inside of this tube. The brake clean. It's fairly grubby in there. And that'll evaporate. Let that sit for a bit. Stay. I'll take this bad boy off. Probably replace this while we're going with it. Still in good condition. And there we go, it's clean. Ready to go back on. Give this sucker a bit more of a clean. Oh, there's a bit more oil coming out of that. Still a little bit of old stuff in there. Right. Now once you have everything cleaned up, and the oil drained, Just run your hands around the outside of the shaft just to see if there's any nicks. And if there is, some sandpaper. And also around the top of here, one little no, that's okay. That's all good. Alright. And start putting them back together. Stay. First, I'm going to try this. I don't think it'll work. Just get spring facing down. Wheel seal faces the same way. Spring faces down. This one's a bit tighter. Probably could have oiled it first. A little bit of oil over it. There we go. Hope I haven't damaged it. Just check it's not damaged. No damage. Righto. That's right. Now remember which way this went. Down. Got the big ring. On. And the smaller ring. Clips into there. Alright. I think we're ready to put it back together. Grab your tube. Maybe there like that. Got this. Got this. I'll come down here a bit. I've got this. Lovely. Now I'm going to take this off. Let's hope. Set this in properly. It's nearly there already. see that. I'm just having trouble seating that. So, what I'll do, I'll just give this a little tap. Hammer. Just on the edge of that. That's it. Turn it around. Nice. Next is the clip. Around like that. Tricky made. Back into the groove. Double check. You beauty, it's in. Right, dust cap. This should just plonk into place. You're going to fill it with oil. I'm going to put this black back in. Fork oil. This is how I did the last one. Gets the air bubbles out. Just keep topping up. Get my measuring stick. Got a mark 100mm down, 4 inches, in the old school. You can just see when it touches that, and a little bit more. Close. I think that's spot on. Right. Now to place the spring. Just going to give the spring a little wipe off. Old oil. Do is we'll lift this up. Just lift that up. This is the trick. You gotta lift this up. Lifting, lifting. Put this baby over the top. Oops. Shine it down finger tight for now. $19mm. And $19mm. Tweak up. Now, straight up like that. Tighten him up. And there we have it. Beautiful. Looks like a charm. Now to put the bike back together. Righto guys, thanks for watching. Please leave a comment below if you think I could have done something different. I know the sound wasn't too great, but I'll sort that next time. Hit the subscribe button down below there somewhere. Give me a thumbs up, and yeah, thanks for watching. Check out my other videos.